is a test of the EAS. Alert equipment. The EAS provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test. Mail delivery.
Well, as usual, I'm joined by these two for every Sunday night for KDKA.
Antonio, also known as Pittsburgh EAS.
You already know who I am.
No, we don't!
Yeah, you do.
No, we don't! No, we don't!
Yeah, you do.
No, we don't! No, we don't!
Yeah, you do.
No, we don't!
Oh, what was that?
I want to lick your someday. Anyway, this is Shagger 69.
Okay, what?
In all seriousness,
What am I
this
gonna do
is
with you?
SG2413.
Yes, that's me.
Yeah, I'm back doing KDK because I was busy last Sunday.
That's true.
There goes me having some more float energies.
What even is that?
I don't even know. I'm just coming up with random.
I should be concerned.
Yeah. Anyway.
We should be concerned.
Yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe for some more videos like this. RCT3, dude.
Never subscribe to RCT 165, I mean what?
Never scrap! Never scrap! Did I hear that correct? Yeah, never subscribe to SG165. Never subscribe to him because he has more than me!
And I'm more than the both of you.
Yeah, I know!
Oh my god.
Anyway, subscribe for some more videos like this. RCT3 dude signing out.